Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Tygem one-dan player. If you wanna be around the Tygem one-dan level player, then I'm pretty sure that this video is gonna be helpful for you. So please enjoy to watch this video, and I'm gonna play really hard with you. Yeah, now I just started the game, and now we are having the local fighting here. Like just attachment here, then I really have to focus to fight at this moment. I have two decisions, just I can connect or block. Okay, now I will just simply connect this one stone. And when he plays here still, I don't think this there fighting has done, so I can decide to play whether jump or hane. Yeah, fighting balls are great, but I just decided to jump. Okay, then I have to defense. There is a cutting point. And when it goes to the left hand side, then I can simply make the center. This center is gonna be helpful, however. Oh, he didn't accept. Then of course I have to take the corner. Then I'm not losing anything. Even this is gonna be quite bad exchange. So I have no reason to give up to capture this one stone. I really understand he want to break my dose of a group, but when I just capture, now my corner is very clean. And I don't think my 5 stones are in danger because my 1 stone is flying away at the center and he doesn't have any method to stop this 1 stone. So I think it's timing to go to the big place. So I will just go there. And even there is gonna be the new Joseki. Okay, Atari one time and I have a 2 decision. Maybe 3 decision. I can connect both sides and even I can place stretch. So okay, this time I want to support here. So I will just connect here and somehow this 1 stone connecting is gonna support my 5 stone as well. At this moment, normally we have to just block, even though there is gonna be the call and he can't really get in here right now. Wow, he just get in here. Just like he's telling me he wanna attack my group. But if I am black, maybe I will decide to reduce around here. Because I think if I just play around here, somehow he is getting attacking from me. Don't you think so? Oh, he really used a powerful move, and now we are having like, really, we are testing our power for each other. Okay, just fit the vital point first, and oh, he just even give up. Then just take it. Okay, I'm not sure whether this trading is good, and he's supposed to just give up this side, and then he need to capture this 1 stone. Yeah, like now. But anyway, I captured these 2 stones, so even I'm thinking that I can use ladder breaker. Oh, but somehow is it working? Let's just start. Just let's use it. And if he capture, then I can sorry, I can get something at the upper side. And oh, he really played a very powerful move. Okay, then I will just try to destroy this shape. And if he just save this group, then of course this fighting is gonna be good for me because now I can separate over him. It wasn't really separated like just now. Yeah. Okay, then let me punch here first. Until now was still it was acceptable for black, but after he plays a Hane, then somehow now black is gonna be broken. Okay, just accept everything what he's doing, but somehow now black life and death is in trouble. Yeah, and I can just accept everything, and yeah, this is gonna be his right. And even though I cannot capture this group, then I'm not gonna be in trouble. Now became. Oh, he was thinking to attack this 1 stone. Then of course when he just give up this group, oh, he was supposed to capture this 1 stone. Maybe he forgot or just he doesn't really have attention to capture this 1 stone. In case he really captured this 1 stone, I have to give up and just I have to trade again. But now he didn't, so I just need to defense. And now for the life and death is like okay, let me just use it by Sente. If I have a tiger's mouth, then even I don't have to play anything. Now black is already captured. So when he just connect, then my next plan is just flying away to the center. Then I really don't have to spend any move to capture this group. So yeah, of course it's better for me. Yeah, now the black is supposed to connect. Then now I will just jump. And then my jumping position, he can't really chase this one stone because now my speed is fast enough. Yeah. Oh, now of course he is keep trying, but there I don't really have to block because even though I don't block, then their life and death is in trouble. So I will just keep invest to some valuable move at the center. If I Oh, sorry everybody. I made a misreading again. Yeah. I just forgot suddenly this is his sentence. He can make one eye. Just ignore everybody. Okay, then even though we made a mistake like now, we have to keep hold of the game. Don't be disappointed. So I just have to keep found out where is the valuable place. Now somehow here we haven't done finish for this fighting. So I can beat the vital point like now. So if I am winner of this fighting, then my center will be became influence. So of course he can't really give up this crew, he must save that, it's really important. I can say this is everything of his for this game. Okay, I just surround around, great move here. Then even though he saves that, I don't think the result is gonna be bad for me. Yeah. So no matter you made a mistake, everybody please don't give up. That's quite important. Yeah. However, we made a mistake, we shouldn't be broken. Yeah. Controlling psychology is also quite important. Yeah, after that, no, he can't really make the ladder, so I just have to go back to save my one stone. Then now this group is gonna be captured. Yeah. I'm not sure whether he could save if he played well, but even though he saved this group, I don't think my situation was bad. Actually, White was leading, even though he can save this group. Yeah, that's why when we make big mistake, always we get to have like we will be impatient, but the controlling psychology is really one of the important skill. Okay, so I just keep move on to important group. Now I think next time he can even Hane, I will just take care here. Because I'm thinking that this capturing race is gonna be um I don't think I will lose this capturing race. So after I make Sente, I can of course start to surround, yeah, right now, but I think still I am free. I have a time to try to go out first. If I can make two eyes, then that's the best way. Yeah, I don't really have to take care for this one stone. I just keep jumping out. And then, oh yeah, this is a quite good move. How he can separate of my two groups. So now I have a two plan. I can just keep support this, or even I can just support this one stone. And when he start to surround me from center, then anytime I can go back to start to surround the black group. So I don't really have to be worried for this group as well. Okay, so yeah, let's just try to take care of the corner. Yeah, I don't want him to invade to my corner. Yeah, now he start to press my group. Yeah, so I can delete his eye shape. Yeah, I have to accept first. The white has many liberties from outside, so really you don't have to be worried about this. And when he just connect, I am planning to break this eye shape, so this fighting will not work for black. Yeah, so black is in big trouble, of course, obviously. Yeah, that reason was here he had some overplay. Yeah, and then the beginning my trading research was good. Yeah, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, if you cannot believe me, then of course you can search the category. Yeah, now where the best teacher is category. Yeah, no one can beat category. Even these two stones, if I have a confident win, actually I don't really have to capture. So I will just break this lower side. Now lower side is the best to place, and yeah, now the getting in the core is quite necessary. But it doesn't mean black can do it like that. Normally this shape, even though he can play here, there is gonna be in big trouble. And I have a 2 planets where I can stretch or even invade to 3-3. And I'm looking for the saving, and when he just go back to save, then I can just try to break his corner. Then that's good enough. Even though I can't break or I can't capture him, then that's okay. Just, always we have to have trading. Yeah, so this trading result gonna be not bad for me. So however, defense, and then he can make one eye here, then just accept him to save. Yeah, here. Maybe I'm not sure whether he's looking for this eye shape or not. Yeah, originally black has to. Oh, I really have to be careful at this moment. Yeah, nothing is there, right? Yeah. Now, so just when we are having this local fighting, we have to focus. Oh, he really didn't take care of his weak group. Then of course I can think about to capture all the group because he didn't defense. Originally he had to make the one eye. But make sure when you are playing at this area, then your reading has to be very detailed. Otherwise, it's not easy to play like that. Yeah. Now I was looking for the disc cutting, and when he just connect, I will capture. And I'm thinking that the capturing race or the order fighting, local fighting will not work for black. So yeah, even now I have to keep continue to read. This time I'm thinking that here is clear, and if he break my eye shape, I have insurance to make one more eye at the corner. So it's really no problem. Yeah. Okay, so now when I just trade here, you can see that became I'm just beating his overplay. Yeah, of course, if he didn't have overplay, I had to no method to capture. Yeah, so no matter you are losing or you are behind and you make the mistake, please don't be broken. You just need to be patient and wait for the chance. Then you will catch up the chance. Yeah, that's one of the important topic. Yeah, that we have to remember. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Today I just played until now. Yeah. I if your level is around one down player, yeah, or if you really want to reach around the Tygem one dan, yeah, I think this video is gonna be helpful for you. Yeah, so if you enjoyed to watch this video, then please like and subscribe. Then see you guys next time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.